Welcome everyone to From Feedback to Forecast. Unlock the power of Zoho Survey and Zoho Analytics. So in this session, we'll explore how Zoho Survey and Zoho Analytics can help you gather meaningful feedback, visualize data with ease, and turn raw responses into clear, actionable reports with no technical skills required. We're excited to have you with us, and leading today's session is Elmer, one of our dedicated account managers. If you have any questions during the webinar, please feel free to drop them in the Q&A section and we will be answering them as we go along. Almir, over to you.
Thanks, Elaine, for the introduction. So let's continue our webinar session. So still under the Zoho Marketing Plus bundle. So this will be the final leg of our walkthrough. So where we will focus on two remaining applications, the Zoho Survey and Zoho Analytics. So we'll begin with Zoho Survey, Zoho's powerful tool for building customizable online surveys to gather customer feedback, measure satisfaction, and make data-driven decisions. So Zoho Survey allows you to easily create surveys from scratch or by using pre-designed templates. So you can drag and drop different or question types like multiple choice, rating scale, or open-ended text fields, making the survey creation process user-friendly and efficient. So once your survey is created, you can preview it in real time and make sure it aligns with your intended audience and goals before moving on to designing the questionnaire in detail. So after setting up your survey, the next step is crafting the questionnaire, right? So Zoho Survey offers a variety of question types such as single choice, multiple choice, matrix rating, star ratings, drop downs, and more to help you gather the most relevant information. So you can organize your questions into sections also, apply skip logic, and even make certain questions mandatory. So this ensures a smooth experience for respondents while helping you collect accurate data aligned with your survey goals. And another, display logic in Zoho Survey allows you to create smart dynamic surveys by showing or highlighting specific questions based on a respondent's previous answers. So this keeps your surveys relevant and engaging for each participant. So for example, if a respondent answers yes to the question, are you satisfied with our service? So you can display a follow-up question like, what did you like the most? But if the answer is no, you can now instead show what can we improve. So this tailored approach improves the accuracy of the responses and makes the overall survey experience smoother. And display logic also helps you avoid irrelevant questions, shorten survey length, and guide respondents down the most appropriate path based on their input. So it's especially useful in customer feedback, product evaluation, and employee engagement and event feedback forms. Personalized survey in Zoho Survey allows you to tailor each respondent's experience by inserting dynamic fields and custom messages into your survey questions and content. So you can use variables like the respondent's name, company, or any other known information to create a more personal and engaging survey. So for instance, instead of saying how satisfied are you with our service, you can ask, "Hi John, how satisfied are you with the service you received from Devtac?" So personalization not only makes your survey feel more relevant, but also increases the likelihood of completion. So it's especially useful when sending surveys to customers, employees, or partners where a touch of personalization reflects professionalism and care. Another translate survey in the survey enables you to reach a wider audience by offering your survey in multiple languages. So once you've created your surveys, you can easily add translations for each question and message. So Zoho Survey supports over 70 languages, and you can manually enter translations or use Zoho's built-in translations tool to get started quickly. So when shared, respondents will see the survey in their preferred language based on their browser settings or your predefined selection. So this feature is especially helpful for global companies or brands reaching diverse markets, ensuring clarity and accessibility across regions. And secure survey in Zoho Survey ensures that your data and respondent information are protected at all times. So you can restrict here access to your surveys by requiring password protection, setting a specific audience via email addresses, or enabling IP restrictions to prevent unauthorized entries. So SSL encryption is also enabled by default, ensuring that all data transmissions between the respondent and the server is secure. So in addition, you can disable multiple responses from the same device or browser, enforce login to Zoho accounts, and even set expiration dates for your survey links. So these security settings help maintain the integrity of your data, especially for confidential or internal surveys. So since we have already ensured that your survey is secure and tailored to your audience, the next advantage is Zoho Survey's unlimited free survey forms or feature. So here, we can add unlimited questions and collect unlimited responses without restrictions on the number of surveys you can run simultaneously. So this makes it ideal for teams or businesses conducting continuous feedback loops, customer satisfaction checks, or research efforts without worrying about usage caps. So while the free version includes core functionalities, upgrading to the paid version give access to more advanced features like logic, customizations, and integrations as well. So once your survey is created and finalized, the next step is sending it out to your audience. So Zoho Survey offers multiple distribution channels to ensure your survey reaches the right people through the right platforms. So you can send surveys by email campaigns, generate a shareable web link, embed them on your website, or distribute them through your social media platforms. So if you're targeting specific respondents, you can even generate custom variables and track individual responses. So Zoho Survey also integrates with other Zoho apps, as mentioned earlier, like Zoho Campaigns and CRM, make it easier to align survey distributions with your marketing or customer engagement strategies. So after sending your survey, the next step is collecting responses in real time. So Zoho Survey provides multiple ways to monitor incoming responses. So you can track who has responded, who hasn't, and even schedule reminders for incomplete submissions. So for authenticated surveys, you can view respondent identities, while anonymous surveys maintain privacy. So you can also set here responses or respond limits, enable notification for each new responses, and export raw data for further analysis. So all these features helps ensure your survey results are complete, timely, and aligned with your research goals. And as well, if you're conducting surveys in areas with limited or no internet connectivity, like field research, events, or on-site inspections, so Zoho Survey's offline survey feature is essential. So using the mobile app, you can create and download your surveys in advance. So respondents can complete the survey offline, and once the device reconnects to the internet, all data is synced automatically to your account. So this ensures no responses are lost and your workflow stays uninterrupted even without a stable connection. So if you're looking to gather quick opinions or make real-time decisions, Zoho Surveys online poll creator is the perfect tool. So you can create here a single question polls in just a few clicks and share them instantly via email. What else? Social media or embed them on your website. So responses are also updated in real time, allowing you to gauge audience sentiment instantly. So this is especially useful for quick feedback during webinars, live events, or internal team check-ins. So once we've collected responses, Zoho Survey equips you with powerful analyze reports tools to make or to help make sense of your data. So you can view real-time summary reports here, filter responses based on conditions, and generate visual representations like bar graphs and pie charts. So for deeper analysis, you can create cross-tab reports to compare how different groups responded. So these insights, help you make informed decisions based on clear, actionable data, all without needing external tools. And after analyzing your data, the final step is to share survey results or access. So Zoho Survey allows you to publish your survey reports publicly, restrict access with passwords, or share them only with selected collaborators or team members. So you can export reports in multiple formats like PDF or Excel, or share live links that automatically update with new responses. And if you're working with stakeholders or team members, so this is or this makes easy to keep everyone aligned and informed in real time. So that concludes our walkthrough of Zoho Survey, an essential tool in capturing, managing, and understanding customer feedback effectively. So with the seamless sharing options, so you can ensure your insights reach the right people at the right time, driving better decisions across your team or organization. So let's now move forward to the final platform under the Zoho Marketing Plus bundle, the Zoho Analytics. So Zoho Analytics, also part of the Marketing Plus bundle, helps you turn marketing data into actionable insights. So it connects with various Zoho apps like Zoho Campaigns, Zoho CRM, and Zoho Survey to give a full view of performance. So with drag and drop reports, AI-powered insights from Zia, and ready-made dashboards, so we can easily track here our ROI, customer engagement, and campaign success across all channels. So let's start with the foundation, the data integration. So this is actually the first and most crucial step in analytics. So Zoho Analytics allows you to import data from a wide variety of sources, be it Zoho apps like CRM, as mentioned earlier, campaigns and survey, or third-party services like Google Ads, Facebook, Shopify, and many others. So you can also bring in data from spreadsheets, cloud storage, databases, or APIs. So the goal is to consolidate all relevant business data into one centralized platform for unified analysis. So now that we have integrated our data from various sources, so the next step is data preparation. So once your data is in Zoho Analytics already, it's important to clean, transform, and enrich it so it's ready for meaningful analysis. So Zoho Analytics provides an intuitive data preparation layer where you can remove duplicates, handle missing values, create custom fields, perform mathematical transformations, and apply formulas all without needing any coding. So this ensures that your data feeding your dashboards and reports is accurate, consistent, and analysis ready. With clean and structured data in place, now we can move on to visual analytics. So Zoho Analytics allows you to create insightful dashboards and reports using a simple drag and drop interface. So you can visualize data through charts, pivot tables, widgets, and KPI metrics. So interactive features like filters, drill downs, and contextual views make it easy to explore your data from multiple angles. For example, a sales dashboard might show monthly revenue trends, top performing products, and regional performance in one view, helping managers quickly identify what's working and where to improve. So visual analytics also turns raw data into a story that it's easy to understand and act on. So let's now continue with productive AI, building on the foundation of the previous topic, visual analytics. So after uncovering patterns through visual exploration, predictive AI in Zoho Analytics empowers you to forecast future trends and outcomes using machine learning models without needing deep data science expertise. So you can apply here predictive models to metrics like sales, churn, or revenue to make proactive business decisions. So, for instance, a retail company can predict product demand for the upcoming quarter based on historical sales data and seasonality trends, helping they manage the inventory more efficiently and avoid overstock or shortages. Now, following predictive AI, we now move on to generative BI. This is actually a more recent and powerful addition to Zoho Analytics. So generative BI goes beyond answering predefined questions. So it lets you explore data by simply asking questions in natural language. So Zoho Analytics uses large language models, or the LLMS, to interpret your query and generate contextual reports, what else, dashboard and insights on the fly. So for example, instead of building a report from scratch, you can type show me the monthly revenue or monthly revenue trend for quarter two or quarter one by region, and Zoho Analytics will instantly generate a chart with a breakdown. So this reduces report building time and allows decision makers to interact directly with accurate data. So next, let's move on to agentic AI. This is actually a good feature here in Zoho Analytics. So agentic AI in Zoho Analytics introduces intelligent agents that can act on behalf of the user. So these agents don't just answer questions. So they understand context, perform multi-step analysis, and deliver goal-oriented insights automatically. So, for instance, if a sales manager wants to improve the quarterly performance of the team, an AI agent can analyze recent trends, compare them with historical data, identify bottlenecks, and even suggest strategies like focusing on high converting regions or adjusting pricing models. So it's like having a data savvy assistant guiding your business decisions as well. So now now that we've explored how agentic AI can proactively assist in decision making, so let's move on to AI Studio, where your customization possibilities expand. So AI Studio in Zoho Analytics allows businesses to build, train, and deploy their own machine learning models within the platform. So this means you're not limited to pre-built AI. So you can create models tailored to your specific needs using your own business data. So for example, a retail company can train a model to predict product returns based on order history, geography, and customer behavior. So once integrated, so this model becomes a powerful decision making tool within dashboards, enhancing foresight outcomes of the team. So, after understanding how AI Studio empowers customer machine learning, let's move forward to unified business insights. So, which ties everything together from different departments and applications. So, unified business insights in Zoho Analytics enables you to blend data across multiple business functions like sales, marketing, finance, and operations into one comprehensive view. So this helps leaders to identify cross-functional trends and make well-rounded strategic decisions. So, for example, by combining CRM data with finance and customer support data, a business can uncover how delayed payments can affect customer satisfaction or how marketing campaigns impact recurring revenue. So it's all about breaking down silos and seeing the bigger picture of your data. So now, following the UBI, so we now move on to collaborative analytics. So this is actually a crucial aspect for teams working together on data-driven decisions. So Zoho Analytics allows multiple users to collaborate in real time by sharing dashboards, reports, and insights. So team members can comment directly on charts, tag colleagues, and set up schedule reports deliveries. For example, the sales and marketing teams can work together on a lead conversion dashboard. Sales can leave notes on the pipeline trends, while marketing can highlight the campaigns that are driving those leads. So this fosters alignment and promotes faster, informed decisions across departments. And after understanding how teams can collaborate on insights, so let's proceed to data storytelling, which transforms your analytics into compelling narratives. So with Zoho Analytics, you can create presentation style dashboard that walk your audience through key insights in a sequence like slides. So this helps communicate complex data in a more engaging and understandable way. So for instance, during a quarter business review, you can present a data story showing sales trends, customer behavior, and revenue forecast layered with annotations and contextual commentary, making it easier for stakeholders or your C-level managers to grasp insights and take actions. So now that we've seen how data can be transformed into compelling narratives through data storytelling, so let's now move on to the survey and analytics integration, which is particularly relevant if you're also using Zoho Survey. So with this integration, you can automatically pull in survey responses into Zoho Analytics for deeper analysis. So for example, after conducting a customer satisfaction survey, you can generate dashboards that highlight trends in customer feedback, NPS scores, and satisfaction across different departments or region. So this makes surveys data more actionable by combining it with other business metrics like Zoho Analytics or Zoho Survey. Now, building on how survey results can be analyzed within Zoho Analytics. So let's now explore mobility. So Zoho Analytics capability to keep your insights accessible anytime, anywhere. So through Zoho Analytics mobile app, users can view dashboards, get notifications, and even collaborate with team members while on the go. So for instance, a sales manager traveling to a client meeting can quickly pull up the latest sales trend or product performance charts on their phone or tablet, ensuring they are always data ready regardless of their location. So, the Zoho Analytics can be you can download it through Google. The App Store in Apple or Google Play Store. So from accessing insights on the go with the mobility feature of Zoho Analytics, let's now move to the embedded BI, which allows you to bring analytics into the platforms where your users already work. So with Zoho Analytics embedded BI capabilities, you can seamlessly integrate interactive reports and dashboards into your websites. What else? Internet portals or third-party applications. So, for example, a SaaS company can embed real-time analytics into their client portal, so users can track their own performance metrics without ever leaving the app. So this improves user experience and adds value to your service offerings as well. Now, let's talk about security and governance, which is crucial in ensuring your data and reports are safe, especially when accessed or shared across systems. So Zoho Analytics provides enterprise-grade security or security features such as role-based access controls, data encryptions, both at rest and in transit. So as well as audit logs, IP restrictions, and two-factor authentication feature. So for instance, a manager can view team performance dashboards while a sales agent can only view their own stats, ensuring proper data access at every level. So this makes easier for or to comply with the company policies and industry regulations. So now that we've covered how Zoho Analytics ensures data security and governance, let's move on to deployment, which refers to how and where your analytics solutions can be hosted. So Zoho Analytics offers flexible deployment options depending on your organization's needs. So you can use the cloud version, which is hosted and managed by Zoho, or opt for the on-premise deployment, which allows you to install Zoho Analytics on your own servers behind your firewall. So this is particularly useful for industries with strict compliance requirements like banking or government. Additionally, there's a hybrid model as well, where sensitive data is stored on premise, while utilizing Zoho's cloud infrastructure for analytics processing, giving you the best of both worlds. Now, following deployment, let's now explore extensibility and elasticity. So two features that help scale and adapt Zoho Analytics as your business evolves. So extensibility refers to the platform's ability to integrate with a wide range of third-party applications, custom-built tools, and even internal systems using REST APIs, webhooks, and SDKs. So this means you can mold Zoho Analytics to fit into any tech ecosystem seamlessly. Elasticity, on the other hand, is about scaling. Whether you are analyzing thousands or millions of rows of data. So Zoho Analytics automatically adjusts its computational resources to ensure performance remains smooth and efficient. So, for example, um, an e-commerce company analyzing holiday season sales spikes won't experience lag or downtime. So thanks to this elastic architecture of Zoho Analytics. So with this, we've now covered the full analytics journey, ending with how Zoho Analytics is built to grow with your business. So to wrap up our session, we've explored. We have explored two powerful components of Zoho Marketing Plus, Zoho Survey, and Zoho Analytics. So with Zoho Survey, we saw how easy it is to create personalized, secure, and multilingual surveys collect responses across channels, and analyze insights all within a unified user friendly platform. So whether you're gathering customer feedback, conducting market research, or engaging your audience through polls, Zoho Survey simplifies the entire process from start to finish. Then with Zoho Analytics, we took a deep dive into how you can turn raw data into powerful visuals, stories using advanced AI capabilities from predictive AI and generative BI all the way to collaborative analytics and seamless deployment. So it's a platform built for scale, smart decision making, and enterprise level insights. So together, these tools empower your team to understand your audience better and act on real-time insights faster, fueling more effective data-driven marketing campaigns. So now I'll pass the floor to Lalaine for the next part of our webinar. Lalaine?
Thank you, Elmer, for that insightful presentation. So, Res, I think some of our participants are also wondering the same question. How can combining Zoho Survey and Zoho Analytics helps organization make better decisions?
Thanks, Lala. So when you bring Zoho Survey and Zoho Analytics together, it actually gives you a powerful way to collect feedback and then a really deep dive into the data. By analyzing the survey results from Zoho Analytics, you can identify the patterns, track trends, and even forecast future behaviors. This means you can make a smarter, data-driven decisions and avoid guessing when it comes to your next steps.
All right. So, with this, what kind of charts or visualizations in Zoho Analytics works best for forecasting trends from survey data?
Um, when forecasting trends from Zoho survey data, usually line charts are great for tracking changes over a period of time. While bar charts help you compare different categories, um, pivot tables allow for deeper analysis by cross-referencing multiple databases. Additionally, Zoho Analytics has a built-in forecasting uh, that predict future outcomes based on your survey responses. So essentially, you can plan ahead and get more confident with the stuff.
All right. Thank you, Res. So, that wraps up today's session. Thank you all for joining from feedback to forecast. Unlock the power of Zoho Survey and Zoho Analytics. As mentioned by Almer, this also concludes our walkthrough of the Zoho Marketing Plus bundle. If you ever need expert guidance, Devtac is here to help. Whether you want a free demo or have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at info@devtac.com or visit our website at www.devtac.com for personalized customization tailored to your unique business needs. We've also got another exciting webinar coming up. This time, we're diving into another powerful Zoho bundle. So keep an eye on your inbox for the details. Thank you, everyone. Have a great rest of the day.